Hello, good evening. This is my report for today, May 19, 2025. So, my assigned task for today is regarding on this fixed translation error. Then it has this goal. When changing translation, the local is not loading correctly. So, this is the main problem that I am trying to check. And based on my analysis on this issue, the problem is actually based on the props that has been wait, I will just share the code. So for example, by the way, the structure of the current translation is, for example, for the dashboard, uh, all dashboard all dashboard text was saved in one file, dashboard.js, which is the main problem. Also, it causes few problems. For example, when a component is being used in other role, for example, accounting and teacher, so the the labels are being the same, which is in some cases it makes some confusion because some text must have a separate translation based on the rule. So the task is to separate the translation based on user rule also. So I'm also working on that. So for example, this is the new translation. So as you can see in the old translation, it has a fragments. Then all files was joined together. Then in the version 2, we will separate the translation based on the rule for accounting. And for now I'm in super admin, then dashboard. So this is the example. Then another thing also, as you can see, it has a lot of common text that being used. For example, the year, month, and branches. So I move all the common text in one file called common.js. So this is the list of common file because in the previous structure, there are a lot of redundant translation. So for example, the text, year, month, and branches, the super admin has its own record for that. And for other pages, for example, for list, so since it has a branches also, uh, the translation of this is also written in userlist.json file, which is it's redundant. So I collected those redundant text and put in single file. This one. Then as you can see, the dashboard is now has a shorter list of components, but in the original, it's actually 143. So I collected 100 plus text, which is redundant. Then another thing also, another problem that I have checked or written here as a goal is the when changing the translation local is not loading correctly. So the main root of the problem is the how the translation was structured. So for example, I will check the this one. For example, with this one, we have a property. It was it has we have a translation property. It was passed from parent, but if it's empty, it has this value. I already changed that one, but the original is dashboard only. Then that value was translated out was move to another component, for example this one, then for this one it also accept the value for the translation. And if you will check the another table, it accept the properties translation also. Then for example in this case the translation is actually duplicated. Then the problem is, the root of the problem is the value. Wait, let me check. Let's go to the dashboard. The main root of the problem is this value is actually static, which means it does not change, and it was being sent from parent parent component to the child component, and to the other child component, and to the other child component, and it is a static, which is it does not change. So the problem is the uh, how the data was transmitted to the parent to the child, and another child and another child. So sometimes the properties was unable to detect because it does not change. So that's why sometimes in some component the translation does not work. So the solution of that is we need to make sure that we don't do any uh, multiple child transmission of property. So what I did is I just modified the route, for example this one, and I just added here the translation group. For example this one, super admin dashboard. It is the page under this route, then super admin user list, and user admin user profile, super admin user profile. So in each page that I've been working, I need to change. I need to add the route and get that value and assign in this. So in that case, we only get that data once from the route metadata, and we don't do the parent to child or multiple child sending of data, which is it caused the problem. So that's the process of fixing that problem. And so far I need to check all these component and add this new way of implementing that translation. And so far this update, and I will just continue this one tomorrow, because since we have a lot of component, it's actually hard for me to check each component and do the translation updates. So that's the update. Thank you.